Alright, welcome to the channel. So we're here at the local Acura dealership. We're going to be looking at an MDX, hood, and a few things. They want us to show our process and our products, and look at this beautiful thing they have here, old school. So anyway, they got a hood there, and there we go. Alright, so Swirl Remover Pro X right there, all of that wet sanded with 3000, one product, foam pad, and we go. This side already done, so now the pad is fully contaminated. We're going to swap it for a new pad, orange pad, go at it again. We're going to finish it with the paint sealant, so stand by. Brand new pad, 6.5 center ring, so it stays on the middle of the plate. We're going to put the Swirl Remover Pro X, add it again, speed on 4 and 5, little pressure, and look at the results already coming alive. So we continue. Alright, let's take a look. I left a little spot there for illustration purposes, and this is the hood all done, and the light don't lie right there. Beautiful, beautiful. One foam pad with the Swirl Remover, 3000 was the finish, sanded. I'm here at the dealership showing the guys what we can do with the Swirl Remover. A lot of people still don't believe us, but right there. And we continue. Alright, and here she is. We're gonna get ready to put the paint sealant, this thing that we're working on. Look at that, that finish just with the Swirl Remover. I can't say it enough. Coming along here, I was supposed to do the hood, but I'm doing a complimentary thingy here, right here. 3000, transition. I gotta touch it up here, but you get the idea, right there. Okay, and this is what we use, the Cryox machine. The GA, the old style 3-inch foam pad with the Swirl Remover, the center ring orange pad with the other Cryox machine, black pad, and the paint sealant. That's it, and with that we go. Alright, moving along, Turbo Wax paint sealant extreme, foam black pad. I put it heavy because I want to cover the entire hood, so we go. If you have power, it helps. Take two, we go. And I did the entire hood and that side with a little splash. So next time you talk to your product sales rep, ask him, tell me about product conservation. I think that we, Turbo Wax, are the only ones that preach about product conservation. 16-ounce bottle, it sells for $30, you will get 36 applications. Nobody can beat us there. Now you're gonna get a protection for about 4 to 6 months, depending how you care for. And then we're gonna put a splash of the Quick Detailer Plus that is like having a shot of tequila. I'm gonna let this dry for about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna remove it with the machine, touch it up with the microfiber, the splash of the tequila, and we go. Okay, I'm fully done now with the splash of the tequila. I mean, Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus. And again, with the light. All right, so as I come to an end with the MDX, and look at this beautiful thing back there, sitting low. So anyway, as I come to the end of this video and reflect, you know, it's late at night, and you know, for a local dealership to call you and trust you, and for the products to deliver what they did, I'm ecstatic. I'm so happy, and you know, I just want to share that moment. And we continue with the quest, air compressor and everything going. We're still outside the dealership. So anyways, thank you for watching. Check us online, turbowax.com, Swirl Remover Pro X. If you're not using it, you're missing out, leaving money on the table. So until next time, this is a wrap. Peace out.